In a world where performance meets art, one name stands beyond imagination: Mansory. And this is their latest creation, the 2025 Lamborghini Revuelto by Mansory. An untamed beast reborn in carbon fiber, sculpted to perfection, and powered by pure adrenaline exterior design. From the very first glance, the Mansory Revuelto demands your attention. Every panel, every angle has been reimagined in signature Mansory carbon fiber. Bolder, sharper, and more aggressive than ever. The front fascia breathes power, the extended air intakes channel speed, and the massive diffuser gives it that signature track-borne attitude. The LED lighting and redesigned tailpipes complete a look that's nothing short of a rolling piece of art, sound, and performance. Underneath the sculpted carbon shell lies Lamborghini's iconic V12 Hybrid heart, now tuned to perfection. With an electric assist and Mansory's custom exhaust, the Revuelto delivers an earth-shaking roar that commands respect. Every rev, every shift is pure symphony. Engineered chaos blended with Italian soul. Acceleration is brutal yet refined, a flawless fusion of raw energy and precise engineering. Interior and craftsmanship. Step inside and the aggression gives way to elegance. The cockpit is drenched in the finest leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber, all handcrafted with Mansory precision. Every stitch, every texture feels personal. The digital cockpit wraps around the driver like a fighter jet, intuitive, immersive, and built for dominance. From the seats to the steering wheel, everything whispers exclusivity, technology, and experience. The 2025 Revuelto blends cutting-edge hybrid technology with Mansory's design genius. Advanced aerodynamics, adaptive suspension, and intelligent torque vectoring make every drive an event. It's not just a car, it's a high-performance experience designed for the few who dare to be different. Verdict: the 2025 Mansory Lamborghini Revuelto is more than a modified supercar. It's a statement of power, passion, and prestige. Where Lamborghini's heritage meets Mansory's artistry, legends are born. This is not evolution. This is revolution on wheels. Thank you for watching Goldline Garage Cars. If you love the sound, the style, or the madness of the Mansory Revuelto, hit that like button, subscribe, and share your thoughts below.